Welcome to our asynchronous session. In this particular session, we're going to develop the next two operations, although as I suggest, they can be treated as a single operation. That's multiplication, division. And we're going to make use of the fact that since they are inverses, we can represent both of them using a single picture. And this picture is one that will help us explore the meaning for both multiplication and for addition. We'll develop it for some smaller numbers first, and then we'll show how it expands into larger numbers. I will also build a case for you in terms of why one model or one way of representing this idea is much, much better than the others. And I'll push that all the way through to some fairly abstract ways of recording. We'll then finally end up with a way of looking at multiplication division from a class-based problem that I think will impress upon you just the power young people can have when they're able to think with an object at their own developmentally appropriate level. So that's going to be our advanced organizer. In terms of your work for today, the first thing I want to make sure that you've done is to have finished your filling the room problem. If you haven't done that already, please do so. That's going to be crucial when we start talking about measurement concepts and also geometric thinking concepts. So be sure you've done that. Also, be sure you provide feedback to at least another classmate so that you can get full credit for the assignment. We want to make sure that there's no one that's starting to get behind here. And this is an activity that will be playing a role in our classroom discussion when we come back again next, well, I guess not this week, but the following week in a face-to-face Zoom. Does it seem odd to anyone else who's saying face-to-face Zoom? I'm still getting used to this. In any case, I want you to be sure to read chapter 18, which is developing measurement concepts, and chapter 19, which is developing geometric thinking and geometric concepts. And as you probably can guess, if you haven't already, the filling the room problem really gives you some experience in dealing with the measurement concepts that we're going to be trying to develop. So that's our advanced organizer for today. When you go ahead and proceed, be sure to watch the videos in order. They'll be starting with this introductory video, and then there'll be a series that follow. The final division by 9 will post the assignment that you are to work on for next week. So the new piece will be described to you in the final assignment section, division by 9.